This right here is my new mini pit bike. This thing is the world's cheapest, coming out only $300. I'm super excited to unbox this, so let's get started. Alright guys, I haven't seen the bike yet, but here it is. Dude, look at that. That is awesome, bro. This side up, DB4S01, made in China. That's surprising. California Prosperity 65 warning that this product can expose you to chemicals which can cause cancer. Yeah, that's good to know, thank you. To pull out my mom's car so I can get the bike in. Let me get this stool. Oh wow, styrofoam, yes! Because I unboxed the Ringstar and bikes like that. What do we got here? Yo, oh my gosh, this is actually, we got gloves. We got dirt biking gloves. Medium. I think this is a ski mask too. Oh my god, guys, this is insane. Like, if this is like your first bike, like, you don't even need to like get two of the things. Like, you already have them. That's actually a really good thing to have. Haha, there we go. Okay, there's the wheel. Oh my god, this is so small. Oh my gosh, yes. Alright, we got an owner's manual with a bunch of stuff. I used to have a gas bike, as y'all know, so I know a bunch of this stuff. And then a bunch of tools. On the handlebars, they look nice. And then I put on the number plate. Like, they come with like little scrambler wheels. Like, that's cool. I actually like it. 17-inch wheels. It's hilarious. Alright, let's put this on. It wasn't actually hard at all. It was pretty easy. Ooh, okay. Okay, this is actually nice.
Tough.
It looks nice. Like, it looks pretty good. And, like, I love the color. But I don't have gas. I have to go run to the gas station and get some. So I will go. I also got non-ethanol gas, which costs more. Because... Hey, first... Okay, this bike is actually pretty tough. You can't tell me this thing does not look like a gas RTR. If an RTR was gas, this is what it would look like. And also the suspension is like really comfortable, super easy. All you have to do is just, and then turn off the choke. This is really fun. This is so fun, I like this. Now it's time for a top speed test. Come on. My God! Oh my God! Max speed, 20 miles an hour. Okay, so 20 miles an hour was the speed. You have to take this thing to the trails. Speed bump test. Ooh. Oh, that felt nice. That felt better than a studio. That felt like really nice. That felt so. Wait, what? Look at my... Yeah! Okay, this is actually tough. Oh my god, this is good. This is good. This is a good. Oh my god. The roof. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, I think I killed it. Wait, I think I actually... Wait, that's actually nice. It feels nice. And this bike is so light. I can pick it up by myself. Now, this would be a great bike if you wanted to like hit some like small mini trails. Not like hardcore stuff. I would never do that. Okay, not even that. This is going over them so smoothly. I can hear the suspension, but like, not like in a bad way. This is smooth. Like, I'm not even having a bad time on this. This is, like, I was genuinely trail ride on this, like off camera. 20 miles an hour is not fast, but on a mini bike like this, it feels like 40. It feels so like fast. And then like the trail riding is also chill. Like, I feel like I'm on like a pretty good speed right now. Not anything crazy. My legs are really like right on the plastic. But even honestly, if I was even taller, this is just kind of fun. It's like a smaller, shorter rider, or like you're a kid. This is a really good bike lot. This is really good for the price. $300 for this, by the way. And if this is your first bike, you could easily afford this. That's like, it's just insane. Woo! Yeah! Oh my god, this is just sketchy. Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god, this is fun. Oh, this is fun. Oh my god. This bike has pop. You can pop up. Holy cow. Alright guys, it is the next day. I'm going out to go to lunch. I'm taking the Hover Hearts. So alright, there we go. On the brakes on this are so good. They are disc brakes, but like they feel like nice. Like what I said, like it's a stoppy. Like this is a good bike. To be honest, this bike, since it is gas, it has very low torque. Whenever like you first start it, so it's really hard to wheelie, but like I can pop it up. I'm honestly curious to see what people think of this bike whenever I pull up to the shopping mall area, because I'm not on my Sur-Ron. And since it is gas, the range is pretty good. The website claims around 28 to 25 miles of range, which for gas is good, so you won't really have to fill this up that much. The weight capacity on this bike is 165 pounds. And to be honest, for the size, that is not bad at all. For a Sur-Ron, my Sur-Ron, that's the weight capacity on my Sur-Ron. But this bike, I'm gonna have to stop because I'm not going over the curb on this mini bike. Lean off. Oh yo, this is dope. You guys like the bike?
Yeah.
It's tough, right?
What is it, 50?
It's 39 cc. What?
How fast is it?
It was like 20, but I'm gonna probably remove the governor, so go faster. Yeah, this is a sponsor bike. I have a Sur-Ron at home, so I'm doing a little review on it.
What the hell is that?
Dude, it's look compared to the.
What is that?
Look at this, bro. Compared to the Ultra.
What is that, bro?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not that bad.
Dude, this thing is actually like this thing is actually like fun, bro. Like I took it on the Fields Club trails and it actually did really well. Like look at the suspension, bro. Pointers. One, I love this bike is so light. You can just throw it back and you can wheelie. Like brakes, so good. Like that came up pretty high on that. So good. Dude, I love the brakes. They're so amazing. And also the suspension, oh my god. Like, come on. The suspension feels great. So since it's a gas bike, the range on this is insane. Like, I've ridden this thing so much and I'm not even halfway done on the tank. This thing is so amazing. Oh my gosh, I guess it's like such amazing range. The suspension is so comfortable on-road and off-road. It makes up for it by, it can go pretty fast. And you can even make it go faster by like cutting like the governor, like stuff like that. Price that it comes at, what you get in the box, how easy of an assembly it is, and what this bike offers. I think this is a great purchase. And you're only gonna ride this probably as much as my Sur-Ron. It's a different kind of feel, you know what I'm saying? Okay, there we go. Dude, I'm getting this. The other thing that's really great about this bike is that since it is 39cc, it's legal to ride this without registering it. So for gas, if it's under 50cc, you don't need to have this thing registered, and it's not illegal. So this thing is totally like allowed. Good, up and secured. All right, guys, I had this bike for a couple days. Now I feel like I'm set to give a solid review about this bike. I do want to mention that Hover Hearts did send me this bike and I am extremely grateful for this. And so here are some things that I really like about this bike, and there's a couple, so let's go in. Are the brakes. These are like the best stock brakes I have gotten on a bike. Brakes, so they're like different, but these are really good. The suspension on this bike is just insane. Like for the price it comes at, the suspension is really good and it feels really nice. This bike is so light, you can easily pick it up, you can transport it places, which I love. Since it's so light, you can easily pop this bike up at any speed and you can do wheelies. I've done a bunch of wheelies on this bike. It's really fun to wheelie and everything like that. The range on this bike, since it is gas, it has incredible range, 25 miles on one tank, which is good. I've like that for this small little tank. You rarely will have to fill this thing up, especially if this is your secondary bike, which it is for me. Since it is 39cc, you can legally ride this without registering it, so you have no worries of cops. Cops cannot do anything about this. It comes out a solid $275. Insane bike. I think it's worth it. If I could buy this, if I would have bought this, I probably would have. This is an insane bike. It's so fun. Haven't had a single bad issue with it. It starts pretty well as well, usually on like the first to go. And this thing is just insane for the price, so I would recommend getting this bike. If you are interested in buying this bike, I have a link in my comments and description, and you can use code GAVIN10 at checkout to save some money. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys next week.